Hey guys, so today we're going to take a look at this digital voice recorder that was sent to me recently. One of the companies on Amazon reached out, asked me if I'd be interested in checking out their product. It was sent to me for free, no money exchanged hands. They just asked me to check it out and then let them know what I think of it. So it arrived just the other day. I don't know a whole lot about it. I believe it's a 32 gigabyte memory on it. It is made in China. Current price on Amazon is $23.99. So 32 gigabyte. I just brought up everything on the screen here. 32 gigabyte digital voice recorder. It's for lectures, meetings, voice activated recorder. It says. So let's just check it out. So it comes with a USB to micro USB charging cord. The digital recorder is extremely small. It looks like it's got all the directions on the back as far as what everything is. It does have a mic port on top, so you can hook a microphone up to it. That's kind of cool. Does have a speaker to it, it looks like. I'm going to pull out the owner's manual and go through some stuff real quick. I'll be right back. So in the owner's manual, I'll just kind of bring this up here where if you guys want to take a screenshot of it, you can, or if you just want to look at it. As far as the buttons go, this is going to be the power button. This is going to be the charging port, and also where you can download the data from it. It does have a 32 gigabyte micro SD card already in it, but I believe you can change that out from what it kind of looks like on the instructions. On this side is going to be for recording. Recording on and off. This is going to be for playback. This is going to be for menu. This is going to be for going forward a track, backward a track, and then volume up and down. Okay, so I did have to charge it up a little bit. Let's go ahead and try it now. There we go. We got the power coming on. And then let's go ahead and start the recording. Okay, so it looks like it's recording now. So I've been just using the onboard camera on my cell phone for this portion of it up till now. Right now I'm going to go ahead and flip over to this device. In fact, I'll set it down so that my hand isn't covering any microphone or anything that way. So this is what it's going to sound like. Me talking just normal right here behind the cell phone, same as what I usually do with the cell phone. I'll flip it back to the cell phone right now in After Effects, or in processing, or whatever you want to call it, and then I'll flip it back over to the voice recorder right now. So that way you have kind of a sample of what it sounds like, Samsung S22 Ultra compared to the sound quality of this digital voice recorder. Next thing I need to do is I need to test out how far away it will record, because it does say it's for lectures, so I need to try something different, and I don't know how to do this on camera. If you want to just take my word for it, I will step away from it. I will face the opposite direction. I am approximately 10 feet away from both my camera and from the voice recorder. So right now I'm just going to start talking. I will have it set on the camera right now. This is what it sounds like, approximately 10 feet away. Just talking the same as I have been this entire time. I'm not talking any louder. And now I will switch over to the digital voice recorder. And this is what it sounds like 10 feet away. Talking the same as what I have this entire time. And this is what it sounds like. So depending on how this turns out in editing, we'll kind of know where we stand with it. That's really about as far as I can walk away inside this room, and unfortunately. If anybody's wanting a better test of it, I can later on record another video, and maybe get one of my friends involved, and we can, set up something as far as how many feet away and everything. But this will give me kind of an idea of what it looks like, how it's going to pan out. So let's go ahead and stop that. Now, from what I understand, this is going to be the play button. Okay, so it looks like it's recording now. So I've been just using the onboard camera on my cell phone for this portion of it up till now. So far, that actually sounds pretty good on that part of it. Let me stop that because I hate my voice. I'm going to plug this into the computer and just find out what kind of file it is. I don't know if it's going to be a WAV file or something, an MP4 or something, or MP3. Let me check that really quick and get right back with you. Okay, so I'm trying to do a screen capture here. It does come up as a WAV file, so I'm not sure how that works as far as editing goes. I will definitely give it a shot in editing. If this video comes out, it worked. If it didn't, then it didn't. So let me get back over onto the regular camera and we'll have closing thoughts on it. So this is actually my second time recording the ending to this video. Originally, I completed my little test on it, went in to check out the video file to find out that it was a WAV format file, and then I came back and I gave my thoughts on it, not actually editing the video. Since then, I've went in, edited the video, found out that the audio recorder actually does a fairly decent job recording. The only thing is, up close, it's really overpowering compared to what the cell phone does. The audio quality is not quite the same level, which I understand that. And honestly, from a standpoint of somebody coming from a tape recorder type recording device, this is a great option. I mean, it's a great option as far as it will record, it'll play back. As far as for video creation and using it as an audio source, I'm not for sure on that. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take the clips, I'm going to notate which ones, what audio is being used at that time in the lower portion of the screen. I'm not going to touch the audio level. I'm not going to modify it in any way. So if it sounds blown out, that's just the way it sounds. If it sounds too low, that's just the way it is. I'm not going to touch any of that. I'm just going to leave it alone. Do I think it's a good product for $23.99? I think it's an excellent product for that price point. I definitely want to use it some more and give it some more tests as far as how long the battery runs and how long it takes to charge and all that. But just out of the box, first time using it, I'm fairly happy with the way this little recorder works. Is it something I'm going to use as my daily driver for recording audio in my videos? No, it definitely wouldn't be. Would it be something I would consider using for, say, if you're a manager and you're having a conversation with an associate and you're wanting to notate that, keep a track of what was said during that conversation? I think this would be a great product for that. Lectures, whenever you're in college and you're listening to a professor, I think that would be a very good option. The company that did send it to me, I don't know how you would pronounce it, but it was XQ XIAO QIAO is the name of the company that sent it to me. But once again, I did not purchase this product, but I'm not. I have no part of the Amazon portion of the sale of this. I just passing on the information. This is what was sent to me by this company. Anyway, I'm just going to include all their information in the video description. If you're interested in the product, please check them out. If not, I appreciate you watching this far. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I will catch you in the next one.